Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If Windows won't shut down completely when you try to shut it down or restart the computer, then watch this video to fix it. Now the first thing we will do is turn off the power management settings or disable the power management settings in the device manager. And there we will go to Universal Series Bus Controllers. And then we will right click here on the driver and click on Properties. Go to the power management tab and then you need to uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power and click on OK. And do this for the rest of the devices. For all the devices under the Universal Series Bus Controller, right click on Properties, click on Power Management, uncheck this box and click on OK. Now once that is done, you can also disable fast startup. For that we'll press the Windows and the R key and we will enter the command or the line power cfg.cpl and we will click on choose what the power buttons do in the left hand side and we will click on change settings that are currently unavailable and we will make sure that turn on fast startup is disabled by unchecking the box. Click on save changes and that should do it. Now if this doesn't do it, then the next fix which will work for sure is to disable the hibernate mode, and for that we need to go to the registry editor, and in registry editor we will look for this command, so this path, sorry. So copy this path, you'll find this path in the description of the video, and in this you'll just copy this path here and you will come to, let me just go through the folders so as to make you familiar with it. HKey local machine, open it, system, open it, CurrentControlSet, open it, and then on control you will look for the power folder, and when you click on power you will get these options in the right hand pane. In the right hand pane, for in dword32 file, HibernateEnabledDefault, right click on it and then click on modify and make sure this value is set to 0. Click on OK and then just restart the computer by pressing the start button, the power button and restart, and your computer should no longer have a problem with shutting down. It will shut down completely. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.